The fourth mashup type is enterprise mashups. Generally defined applications that combine their own resources, applications and data with other external web services. The areas use mashups. Mashups of US electoral map and Google Maps will allow you to interact with Google Maps to calculate 2008 US electoral votes. Mashups lets you load the map with previous election results and current polls. I think that is really suitable for these days. Search map for internet TV news channels. Separate listing features adult channels, NSFW not safe for work. I think yes, you should agree with me. A website about Nokia that use Google Maps, search and video APIs. Display weather radio stations on map. See where the latest news is happening in the UK. Dutch mashups combining maps with demographic information. This clip explains you how a web source and a data combine to make a mashup. The mashup challenges. Deconflicting the two major mashup models. Too many widget formats. Not enough web services exist in our enterprises or on the web. Security and identity need to be sorted out. No common creation metaphor. Mashups opportunities. Defining the essential ingredients of a successful mashup ecosystem. Addressing the tension between the two major styles of integration. Providing effective enterprise context. Distribution and consumption. SEO, analytics, page views are all challenged by the mashup model. Advantages. Mashups allow for the reuse of existing applications. They also allow for rapid application development. Development of a mashup does not necessarily involve extensive IT skills. The associated cost of application development is greatly reduced. Applications are better tailored to users' needs since the users can now incorporate content that they were unable to develop themselves due to time or resource constraints. Disadvantages. A user might have no control over the quality and features of the content. The continued support by the owner of the mashup service or API cannot be guaranteed. Even if reliability of the content source is established, a potential problem is scalability. For example, can the providers of the map you are incorporating support the traffic that your site would generate in 2 years? The integrity of the content cannot be guaranteed either. We are hoping to extend this clip to a next video. Our intention is to make a Google map to find your location using XML and .NET, creating a mashup using a tool. For an example, Yahoo Pipes. You must be really waiting to see it. Writing a simple code in Google Editor. These are the references we have used to make this video. Sri Lanka, our motherland, is a well-known country for mashup development. She is profused with many highly talented mashup developers who have achieved good ranks in the world competitions. We have gathered so many informations from them as well as Googling. Actually, is not well rooted among IT developers, but still it is emerging. Now there is a good trend among them to move on mashup platforms. Many drawbacks of mashups are fixed and communities for mashups are instantiating. We will focus on more details in the second part of our video. End of session. At last, I would like to thank Mr. Lakmal Rupasinghe, who is carrying out the learning methods into a new dimension, which is a more effective manner, and Mrs. Pumini for the enormous support given us to accomplish this research project. Wait for more excitement in our next video.